Everyone's been making this steak salad, and of course, I'm going to veganize it, but with what? Oyster mushroom steak. Yes, yes, yes. Using mushrooms, oyster mushrooms, as your steak instead of actual beef steak is good because you're going to get fiber. Mushrooms are a great source of vitamin D when they're exposed to sun. And they are just really, 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 really tasty. I put about 2 teaspoons of grill seasoning and some oil, rubbed that all over my mushrooms and got my griddle really, really hot. And then I placed my oyster mushrooms on the griddle. But then on top of the griddle, I made sure I put a nice heavy cast iron pan. If you don't have a pan or you have a press just hanging around, you could use a press. But the point is to press it down so all that liquid gets out of there and all you have is that grill seasoning and the essence of the mushroom, and it's so, 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 so yummy. And then when you lift it up, you have this beautiful, beautiful grill color, right? That is what you're looking for, that yummy, yummy color, that grill color. And then once you have that all flipped, you're going to do it all over again. Put your pan back on top and you'll see all that steam and all the liquid coming out of it, and then you have these nice flattened, yummy, perfectly seasoned vegan mushroom steaks. So, so, so good. Now let me taste it. Yeah, perfectly tender, nice bite. They were super hot, I almost burned myself, but yum, 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 yum. Now we're going to start putting the rest of the stuff inside of our viral steak salad. I have some red onions, and I have 3 different kinds of tomatoes. Chop those all up. You want as many colors as you can in this salad because it's good for your gut health. You want that fiber, and you want a good healthy microbiome from having many, many different plants in your body. And I have here Persian cucumbers. You can use English cucumbers here. If you use the regular cucumbers, make sure you peel them because they have wax. The Persian and the English don't have wax on them, and so that's why they're great. Go ahead and start assembling your salad. Put in all your veggies that you chopped up, and then we're going to make our chimichurri. So I used about 10 garlic cloves, and mine look like that because I freeze them. I process them all and then I freeze them. Then I used a bunch of parsley, a bunch of cilantro, and a bunch of chives. And I used about 5 tablespoons of olive oil. And then I blended that all into a chimichurri sauce. Nice, 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 and yummy. If you want, you could add a little red wine vinegar or balsamic vinegar here. I didn't want to. I didn't want the vinegar taste. So go ahead and take that and mix that all around your salad. Give that nice garlicky, herby. Add a little salt here. Yummy, 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 yummy. That salt's going to draw out the liquid, so it's going to make a nice, you're going to get all the juices of the veggies. Now go ahead and chop your mushroom steak really nice and coarse, not too thick. You want to have nice, big, yummy chunks of the steak, right? So chop that up. And then we're going to scoop it and put it on top of our salad. So yummy, delicious. I'm telling you, this steak salad was everything. Mix that all together. Let all those flavors meld together and just feel yummy, yummy, yummy. And then into the tummy. Let me tell you, this salad was so, so, so good. It's definitely going into my summer rotation of salad must-haves. It has all the fiber, all the crunch, all the smokiness, all the grill seasoning, the tomatoes, all the herbiness and garlic. Ugh, just a beautiful, beautiful salad. So yes, the viral people are correct. The steak salad is good, but no, you don't have to use steak from a cow. You can actually use mushroom steak. And let me tell you, it is absolutely yummy.